Welcome to our tutorial on how to hide someone from seeing a post on Facebook before posting it. Let's go through the steps together. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your Android device to access your account. Step 2. Tap on Create Story located on the left side of the screen to initiate the post creation process. Step 3. Capture a new photo or video using your device's camera, or choose one from your gallery to serve as the content for your post. Step 4. After selecting or capturing your content, feel free to personalize it by adding text, stickers, or other effects to enhance your post. Step 5. Once you're content with your story, tap on Privacy at the bottom left corner of the screen. Step 6. Select Hide Story From, and then choose the specific person or people you want to hide the post from. Step 7. Finally, tap on Share to post your content while ensuring that the selected individuals are hidden from viewing it. By following these steps, you can effectively control who sees your post on Facebook before sharing it, allowing you to customize your audience and privacy settings as desired. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in demonstrating how to hide someone from seeing a post on Facebook before posting it. Enjoy managing your post visibility and privacy on the platform.